Hello guys, I've been grinding cook burgers and we finally got a yellow potion. I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink the potion. Let me drink the potion! My god! Yes! I'm the engineer rat! Let's go! Okay, yeah. Let's see what it can do. My friend Hugo or Buckley. I'm gonna. Buckley, where are you? Yeah. Buckley, where'd you go? I'm over here. Yeah, that's my friend. Yes, there it is. Buckley, what's up, my G? What's up? Duh. But yeah. Okay, yeah. Let's test out what it can do. Do. Imagine if I accidentally resetted my character. Oh my god. Oh my. I was already at the end. But Buckley. Oopsie. Okay, yep, I'm out. I'm gonna go find the. Wait, where are the forklifts? When you're the engineer at, you can. I'm outside. I'm at the street. I'm homeless. Forklift, yes. Bro, Hugo. Bro, that's my friend Hugo. He trapped me in a rat trap. No, Hugo! Oh my god! Hugo, don't! He's gonna.